Hello, I'm Raquel Olivia and today I will start telling about my unforgettable moment. So when I was junior high school, I joined a school or pramuka as my extracurricular activity. I was one of students that were active on the school. So when we had a camping with another school from another school, I was really excited because I can have a new friend. After that, was start to packing my thing, and my father was the one who drive me to the school. When I was arrived at school, I wait for my friend and our teacher who will look after us. After that, we arrived on camping site. We met another school from another school. Then we start to do our activity. We had many things to do, like cook together, build the tent, uh, or something, or etc. Then at the last night of our camping, the weather was not good. So because the weather was not good, when it started to rain, we ran to our tent to save our tent. When I was run to our tent, I was accidentally crashed to another school who that time I was like it. Then I started to scream because I was startled. Resetting our team, we start to watch a movie in a place where we take the shelter. After that, in the morning, we had the last ceremony when we start to change our clothes. Many of our thing is missing. Like I was will lose my one of my sock because I don't think I had to use one of my sock. I had to use one sock. I decided to not wear a sock. After our camping is over, and then we got to our home. When I was arrived in school, I was waited for my parents to pick me up, but they didn't even come to pick me up. So I started to walk to my house with my bag. Who that time is really heavy. When I was arrived at home, I started nagging my host people, because they forgot to pick me up. So that's it.